Hello, my name is Sasha Carotas Odom. I'm from Henrico County Public Schools. I'm an art teacher at Wilder Middle School, and I'm going to go over how to create a PowerPoint video using PowerPoint. First, you create all of your slides that you're going to use for your PowerPoint presentation. Then you're going to start recording. You click on Slideshow, Record Slideshow, and then record from the beginning. From there, you're going to be on your record screen. You're going to click on record, and then you're going to start recording for that particular slide. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see some tools that you can use. It's the laser point tool, the eraser tool, the pen tool, and the highlighter. And basically what that does is gives you the opportunity to draw as you are speaking. This particular one, I created my drawings within the image and I embedded it into the slide. But you can at any point draw while you are presenting in your video. Then after you're finished doing all of your videos, you can do any editing to your recordings if you need to. You can redo the entire recording by clicking on Clear Recordings on all slides, or you can go to one particular recording slide and just redo that one slide. You just click on Clear Recordings on current slide, and then you press record on that specific slide. It will not delete any of your other slides. If you notice on the bottom left-hand corner, there's two sets of times. The left time is the time on that particular slide, and the right time is your total video time for your entire presentation. This is something that would be very useful when you're doing timed presentations or making sure that your lectures don't go over a specific time. The next thing you do is you make all your final touches that you need to make, transitions, animations, anything else that you want to add. That's completely optional. You don't have to do that, but I like to use transitions to make my video smooth in case I need to chunk it for any reason, or separate my slides so I don't have to go back and re-edit or redo anything. So this is an option for you. So you would just go to transitions and you make any transitions you want to make, or you can go to animations and you can animate your slideshow presentation. Once you've finalized everything, you want to review and make sure that everything is looking the way it's supposed to look. So you go to Slideshow, From Beginning, and then go to Watch Your Slideshow, and you'll be able, that screen below is your full screen that your students or your viewers will see when they're viewing your video presentation. If there's anything that is out of whack, the timing may be off, or maybe your animations, your narrations aren't showing, you can go back and re-record and make any necessary adjustments that you need to make before you take the next step. Before I talk about the final step, you can also adjust your video. You can adjust the size, you can adjust the look of it. You can either adjust the size by dragging the corner of the video. You can also drag the entire video to change the position of your video, or you can just type in the size. If you want all of your videos to be the same size, you can go into the format where it says height and width, and you can just type it in for all of your videos for each slide, and it will format it to that size. Your final step is to save it. So to save it as a video, you're going to go to File, Export, Create a Video, and then Create Video. I don't particularly change the size of the video or the quality of the video. I keep it at full HD, but you can change it to 720 or to 480 if you need to, depending on how you're going to share your video. And then I also save it as a slideshow PowerPoint, because when you save it as a video, it's going to save it as a video file, an MPEG 4. The slideshow will be a PowerPoint slideshow in case your viewers want to just go through the slides very quickly and don't have to sit through the video portion. And then after that, you just share it. You can either share it through Google Drive or whatever drive that you're using, OneDrive, iCloud. You can save it to your computer and actually send the file itself through email or on your thumb drive. It's a completely usable file. You can also download it to YouTube if you need to. It's a very good resource to use. Now you can use the information from this slideshow to help you create, film, save, and share your PowerPoints with your videos in them and make them very interesting for your viewers to see. Have fun and have a good day.